Hi everyone, I am Rita Gilmata and this is Scoring 15. Hi everyone, welcome back to another week of Scoring 15. This week we are continuing the cluster of Impact and Dissemination. And about this topic, one of the most important aspects that is requested to you in the proposal template is that you talk about your target audiences. So let's address that for today. So in terms of target audiences, you have a lot of target audience with whom you are directly interacting in the project, doing the tasks that you need to perform in the project. Let me give you an example. If you need to run pilots in some farms, for example, you will have to include in your consortium a specific type of entities that are the farms in which you are doing the pilots. So when you talk about entities or stakeholders or target audiences that you involve directly in the tasks of the project, those are very important ones, but they are not the ones we are talking about when we are discussing impact. When we are discussing impact, we want you to identify target audiences that they are going to be the carriers of your results into the world and therefore leveraging the opportunity of your results promote even more impact at long term and at wider term. So you need to think about this kind of target audiences in the way of who cares about what we are doing here? Why is this important to them? And most importantly, how are we going to reach them? So this tells you not only who the most important target audiences are for any specific result, but also why do they care, and in the sense that what kind of information you want them to get. And thirdly, what channels are you going to prepare to interact with them? So many people tell me, well, Rita, but any tasks of dissemination, communication, and exploitation, they are part of the project. So you were saying that they were not in the project? No. One thing is you have stakeholders and target audiences that are involved with you. They are your partners. They are in the tasks. The other thing is identifying clearly who is going to help you take your results wider into the world. So this is a main difference. Try to build a matrix with this main difference and tell me if it was easy to you so we can talk about it again. Thank you. Have a nice week.